Welcome to Cooking with Milkshake. Yeah. Today we will be making milk. As you see, I have no udder, so I cannot make milk. Original milk. No, that is not an udder. That is a little patch. So, get this hair clip. Oh, and fill your cup with water. Get some soap. Get a crayon. Toothpick. Oh, where's that fluff? Fluff! Fluff! Oh, I can't make milk anymore. Oh, well, maybe you can do. Now let it sit outside for 3 weeks. See,
3 weeks later,
and you have made milk. Time to drink it. Yummy. Wait, what? Wait. Yes.